Our next question is the electricity bills in rupees of 25 houses in our locality are given below. Construct a group frequency distribution table with a class size of 75. So what is that given that class size? So class size will be equal to 75, that is class length. You can see it is a class length. That is lower limit minus upper limit subtraction, we will get class length like that. So if you take class interval, 170 is the minimum and you can take it like 150 or 170 like that, whatever it is. So let's take let any value, you can start from smaller size to bigger size, whatever it is you can take, for that no problem. So let's start with smaller value. So electricity bill is smaller one is 170 and bigger one is, so it's around 724 its scheme and 712. So bigger one is 724. So this is the value. You can go with class intervals like, so 170 and 245. Whatever it is, you can go like this. Or we can start from below this value also. So let's take the class interval will be equal to 152. So for this, if you add 75, then you will get the 225. So this is the class interval we can start. So like this also we can go 150 and 225 is the minimum band. Then for this, if you add 75, 300. So this is the way to go. If you take subtraction of 225 minus 150, what you will get? 75. That is the class length, or 225. So this is the way. So class length will be equal to, this is upper limit and this is lower limit. So class length, that is class size, will be equal to 225 minus 150. So we will get 75. This is the way to write. So let's go with class intervals bills will be from 150 to 225, then 225 to, so if you add 225, 300, then 300 to 375, then here 375 to, so what's the next one? 450. So this is the way. 450 here, then what is the 450 addition with the 525? So 525, here 525 to, what is the way here? 600. So 600, so 600, here 300, for that 75. So follow this one only. So here 375, 675 to, so after that 450, here we will get 750. 750. So what is the tally marks here? So 170 and 212. So 170 and 212, first one. So let's start with 170. 170 where you will get 170 will be, we will get here. Then 212 also we will get here. Then 252 where you will get here. So 252 will be included in this. Then 25 will be included down or up. Definitely it is included in down. So it is lower limit, for that you will get included in this. Then 310. So 310 will be included in this. Then 712 will be here. Then 412. So where will be 412 will be included below this 450, 375 and 450, in between that will come. 425 also we will get in this. 322. So we will get in this. 325 we will get here. Then 192 obviously we will get here. Then 198 also here we will get, and 230. So 230 will be included in this. Then 320 also we will get included, and 412. So 412 will be included in this 450. So 375 and 450. Then 530 will be 525 and 600 range, and 602 will be included in this. 600 about 675, between 724 will be included here, and 370 will be included in this. Then 402, where it will be 402 will be 375 and 450 range. Then 317, so where we will get here is 317. 403 will be, so here we will get included. then 405 also will be here, and 372 will be here, then 413 also will be included in this. So 450 and 512. So what is this way? So here we will get 4, then 3, then so 300 and 375 range. How many houses are there? 7, 7. Then here 450 and 525 range, there is no house, then one house, two houses. So this is the way to represent frequency distribution table for the electricity bills like this by using of tally marks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.